Tutorial 4: Installation and Initialization of Sankalan 2.0 Mobile Application. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download the Sankalan 2.0 mobile application in your mobile phone and how to get started. To install the Sankalan 2.0 mobile application and start working on the application in your mobile phone, follow these simple steps. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Select for Sankalan 2.0 in the search bar. Click on the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app from the Play Store by clicking on Open or launch it from the app. A permission dialog will appear requesting location access. Click on I understand to proceed. A system dialog box will appear to confirm the location permission request. Select while using the app to grant location access. A form will appear prompting the user to enter surveyor details. Fill out all the required fields in the form. Click on Save to submit the details. After successful form submission, the home page of the application will be displayed. The home page will show the current location of the user along with the geofence boundary. Thank you.